Want to boost your immune system and prevent sickness? This easy-to-make ginger recipe can help. This ginger tea recipe can detoxify your body and enhance your immune system fast. This homemade ginger tea is made with fresh ginger, lemon juice, honey, and of course water. It's a good healthy tea to add to your daily wellness program. Ginger is a mighty herb that makes a really nourishing and great tasting tea. To make good ginger tea, stir in honey and lemon and sip while still piping hot and aromatic. You can also add a cinnamon stick to the pot while the tea simmers, giving this tea a cozy taste. Ginger tea recipe. 3 1-inch pieces of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced into thin rounds. 4 cups of filtered water. Serve with honey and lemon for flavor. How to make ginger tea. Peel and slice ginger. Boil water. Add the ginger. Strain tea and discard ginger pieces. Serve with honey, lemon, and cinnamon. You can add a cinnamon stick or 2 to the water, as it boils for the added flavor. And, as a routine, I add a drizzle of honey, and a squeeze of lemon to my cup of tea. You can add these detox honey lemon ginger slices to water, either hot or cold. Ginger tea benefits. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial. Relieves nausea, aids with digestion, stimulates natural detox process. Relieves congestion, improves blood circulation. Lemon benefits. Alkalizing, supports digestion, boosts the immune system, rich in vitamin C. Try making this ginger tea recipe and drink in the morning or before bedtime. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.